Well, hello, coffee time friends. Let's talk. Let's talk about supper time, breakfast time. What's the difference? If you're not following us, going over to our page, Coffee Time with John and Mama. Give us a check out. Tonight, you can watch us do blueberry pancakes and blueberry waffles. It's going to be good, y'all. It's breakfast time here. What is breakfast time? Does your stomach really know what time it is? I always wonder, why do we eat certain things at certain times? Do you ever get up in the morning craving pizza or lasagna that's in the refrigerator and just go ahead and have that for breakfast? I sure have. Don't do it often. Sometimes we get a little bit too caught up in gotta have this or that. I absolutely love, breakfast for supper. I asked Mama tonight, what are we having, Mama? And she could not have made me happier. She said, I'm thinking I want blueberry pancakes and eggs and sausage. My whole face lit up. I was so excited to think, it's breakfast for supper tonight. And I said, throw in a waffle and you got a deal. She said, well, that can be arranged. I like waffles. Mama don't care for waffles. Mama, have you ever told us why?
They're tougher than a pancake, I think.
She uses the word tough. I use the word crispy. Delicious. Do y'all like waffles or pancakes? I can't really say that if I had to say I always had to have one and couldn't have the other, which one I would pick. I love them both. But I like a good waffle too. I mean, this one's had the lick. Mama dropped it one time. And this little piece right here, he really is just on there for looks. I'm going to take him off because he'll end up in the floor in a minute. But it's been a good one. So, we're going to have waffles, pancakes, and eggs and sausage. But looky here. This is probably the star of the show. These fresh, delicious blueberries ready for a pancake experience. Or waffle experience. I like blueberry.
Waffle.
Shall I stir that for you?
You can have it. You got a spray on it already?
No, I have not. I did not even get that out.
Might be why you ain't got it on you.
That may be. It's been so long, Mama. I about forgot how. We need to have more often. We don't have them a lot for breakfast. That's a fact. Every once in a while on a Saturday morning in the winter, when we're not going to do anything much, we're not going to be outside much, we'll go ahead and throw a waffle in and pancake or something. But you kind of got to, it's on the green light. I think we're ready. Ooh, it's smoking. You got to kind of, know your carb limit. And sometimes my carb limit is low because if I eat a syrup and pancake and get all those carbs, I'm going to be out for a minute. Not technically, but I'm not going to be able to do 100% of what I want to do. Put these blueberries, I want to watch this. Put these blueberries right in this mix. Now I want to give them a light stir now, more of a fold. Someone posted the other day, what's the difference between folding and stirring? They didn't know the difference. Well, folding is where you take your whisk, spatula, whatever, go to the bottom and bring it up and wrap it over. Why would you fold this instead of stir it? You don't want to mash those blueberries up. You want it to be whole. And that would be the reason you would fold. Now I'm going to try to get these in here without making a huge mess. But with blueberries in there, it may be a different scenario. Now, do these turn out perfectly round like they do all the time on TV? No. Because if you do that, you're going to run the risk of overflowing. And the perfectly round ones are normally measured out and all that. So mine will just be an ugly little shape. And mostly just be the center. I'd have to get one of those plastic waffles if I was going to do a picture. So this won't be the prettiest waffle, but I bet it tastes good. Mama's getting ready to do some pancakes over there. Mama, you
No,
not even
I'm
said
doing
hi.
pancakes. I'm going to do eggs. I'll just eat a waffle with you.
Mama, you don't even like the waffles as good.
I do. You don't find it hard.
You heard it here first, folks. Mama used to say, so I'll just do pancakes. Mama, I'll do pancakes with you if you'd rather just have pancakes.
No.
I thought we were doing both.
No, I'm going to pick some eggs
Eggs and the sausage is already done.
No, eggs ain't done. I'm fixing.
I said the sausage is already done.
Oh, I thought you said eggs.
She loves to correct me. Don't notice.
I thought you said eggs and sausage. I ain't that bad.
No, sausage is done. Yeah, I'm having coffee. Yeah, it's late, but if I don't sleep tonight, I'll just get up and get into a project. I don't have to get up early in the morning. Well, I guess I do. I want to go to the farmer's market, but I'll come home, take a nap. I'm not sponsored by this little waffle maker by no means, but I do like it, and it does a good waffle. I've got this one turned up to 4, and I think that's basically just a timer. I'm going to leave it in there for 4.5 minutes, looks like, because I like them crunchy. And yeah, I do mine first, for 2 reasons. The first one don't look the best. And we're going to be a minute, and time you make another one, I want Mama to get that last one, because it's hotter, and usually I've done a better job of it. But I want hers to be hotter. We do have a Belgian waffle maker that does 2 at a time. And they're thicker. Now what's the difference between a Belgian waffle and this? This will just make a little thin waffle. The Belgian waffle maker is them big old square ones, and they're about that thick. And you can pour, what I like about the Belgian ones, it holds stuff. Like for example, if I didn't put the blueberries in them, I wouldn't put blueberries on them. I'd use that bigger Belgian waffle, and they would just nestle right down them little holes. You'd have that burst of fresh blueberry or strawberry. But if you're going to put them in it, this little one works just fine. And we better look at this one. It's getting there. It's not turned green yet, but it's getting to the point where it's fixing to tell me to get it out of there. Happy birthday, Mama. Mama, this is your birthday month. People still saying
Yes,
happy
it
birthday.
is.
Hi, John and Mama. Good evening. Hello, Michael. Hey, Mary Beth.
I want to thank everybody for my wonderful. Ooh, now that's crispy.
I love it. Look at that. That's what I'm looking for. That right there is what I'm looking for. Now, I don't know about you all, but I try to spray in between every time, because I ain't that good at it. I'd burn them or stick them. Then I'd be in a mess, wouldn't I? I'd be in a mess. All right, Mama. Get them eggs to go.
I've got them on.
I'm going to turn Mama's down to about 3, because she really likes it chewier. I like it crispier. And I'm going to go ahead and put a little butter on mine. Get ready for the goodness. Let it be melting down in there. What are y'all having tonight? Any of y'all having breakfast? If they're having waffles and sausage and eggs, wouldn't that be a hoot? If about 25 or 30 of us said, yep, tonight's waffle night. It's funny, sometimes we'll have something and I'll get 3 or 4 comments that'll say, we had the same thing. I think how wonderful that everybody's just sort of living in the same place, same time, isn't it? Hi, Kathy. Hi, John and Mama. Just put 15 quarts of fresh peaches in the freezer. Good, Kathy. Had tons of questions. We've never had a glass jar break in the freezer. Someone asked, how can you use glass in the freezer? If you took it out of the freezer and put hot water on it or something, it could break.
What
We
it
don't do
is, it's not, it's more paste than a liquid, and that keeps it from, I've never had one break.
We've never had one break in all the many years. So I reposted last night Mama's strawberry, because several of y'all said, when you get a chance to do the strawberries, or could you show us the strawberries? We're not going to do any strawberries now. We did some. We've got plenty in there, so I thought, well, I'll go ahead and replay tonight and let y'all see the strawberries, and they're just like the peaches, except the difference in the sugar. But that did give you a chance to actually see how they're done. I'm trying to think. Mama, have you ever done anything else?
Not in the freezer.
Not in the freezer. But I would love. to get blueberries. I'd love to do blueberry preserves. I would love to do blueberry lemon preserves, and that's one of the choices. So, if I run across the right amount of blueberries, that's what I'm going to do. Lord willing. Mama, this one is to perfection for you.
Well, wow.
It even looks pretty.
Oh, it is.
Go and put your butter on it.
I like all them purplish and blues and.
What's your little arm?
Okay, you're gonna fix another now. Or you're gonna.
No, probably won't eat that one. Probably be snoozing the time I get this one eat. Feeling.
It'll be that time, won't it?
Well, it won't
The
be.
reason we're eating at night instead of.
Yeah. You get a little sleepy with it. That high carb stuff. And we don't do Mama Please.
I'm just gonna set it over here.
You- I said it perfectly fine, but she wanted to touch it. And it's hot. And I worry about her little arms. And then she says, I won't do it. Then I'm thinking, how do you get so bruised up and beat up all the time?
I can just look at my arms and they bruise.
That's what she tells me. But I'm thinking, you always gotta move it or something. Leave it alone. It's hot.
Move the butter just a hair.
Leave it alone. It's hot. We don't want you to get burnt, do we? I had chicken tenders, red beans, and rice. I love that, Jessica. That is so good. I had great nectarine. Ooh, that's good too. Hey, sunshine. Hello. I'm making Chinese food tonight. Ooh, Heather, that's talented. I like to go out and get it sometime, but I'm not that great at making it. But I have started following someone, and they've been showing me a lot of tricks and secrets. I thought, I might be able to pull that one off. So I may venture out. You want breakfast or supper, Lisa? Yeah, I do that too. I watch some of the shows on here, and all of a sudden now I'm wanting what have they cooked. Hi, good evening, Peggy. How are you? Whipped potatoes and broccoli here. Missy, that's good. I love broccoli anytime.
You want some tea?
Yeah, since you got it, Mama's brought tea in here. I bruise easy too. I'm on blood thinners. Kathy and Mama is too. By the way, Mama, your medicine's ready for pickup. They called. Where the one has ears but can't hear a thing. Corn. Field of corn. I like that. Club sandwich. Ooh, I love a good club sandwich. You take the time to make the bacon too? Because that's a good club. Hello. Fried chicken, nothing else. Donna, that's a meal.
I love this fried chicken.
We eat that sometimes. Making shrimp and veggie stir fry. I love a good stir fry, Carla. One pot wonder. I had a sub. Friday nights is a great night to stop by somewhere. If you go buy something quick, it's a perfect night to grab supper, go home and feed the family, and then get on with the weekend. I do love that myself. That's one reason we call it Friday night party night, because it's until what we'll have. Might be something frozen. We might have something. Just you need syrup.
That's how it is.
Oh, you heated this?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, thank you. We might come up with something frozen or something quick or something easy, or because Friday night's party night. You don't want to spend all night in the kitchen cleaning and cooking and carrying on. Let's bless it, Mama. Dear Heavenly Father, we thank you for this wonderful meal. We thank you for the opportunity to sit here together and enjoy it. Dear Lord, we just thank you for your many blessings and all the things you've done, all the things you're going to do. Watch over all the folks here and be with their prayer requests, dear Lord. And just watch over our country and watch over this world we're living in. In your name we pray. Amen.
Amen.
All right, Mama, is that hot?
This is warm. I'll put it in the microwave for a few seconds.
Well, go ahead and get yours, and I'll get me some. And we're ready
Put
to.
it on part of it right now. I
On
need
the
pepper.
side.
No, it's just on part of it. I need the pepper for my eggs.
Okay.
Thank
There
you.
you go. Mama usually says everything on the side.
Yeah. That way, if I don't eat it all, I can save it. Don't waste
Let
it.
me tell y'all a little cheat I come up with. Sometimes, if I'm really wanting pancakes on a weekday or, maybe on Sunday morning, and I think I don't want to get all sugared up and see sleepy for church, I will take a tablespoon or maybe 2 tablespoons of pancake syrup and just put on my scrambled eggs. Now, Mama says that don't do it for her, but that's one of my favorite things about the pancakes and eggs. I love that syrup on my eggs, my sausage, and my waffle. Mmm.
You did a good job on my waffle.
I know I did. 3 minutes, and it's soft and tender. Better than a pancake, ain't it?
Oh, yeah. You did a good job.
Thank you, thank you. Well, you did a good job on everything else. These blueberry pancake or blueberry waffles are delicious. Look at that.
I've been wanting some, and I know we get the store, and I thought, well, Friday night's a good night.
But I like just a taste of maple syrup on eggs if I can't go all the way with waffles or pancakes. It satisfies my craving, I'll put it that way. Same thing with if I'm really got a sweet tooth, which I hardly ever get a sweet tooth.
I do.
But if there's no candy or nothing, I can take a little bit of peanut butter and a little bit of maple syrup, stir it up, and it tastes like those maple candies. And it's not terribly sugary, but just a little flavor.
I need a napkin.
Well, you can have just one, though.
Oh, well, you're good.
Rashman.
Felt like I had syrup all over my chin.
Well, this is absolutely delicious, Mama.
I did good picking this, didn't
Sometimes we both think about breakfast or supper, but breakfast or supper can be varied for us. Sometimes, if I'm in a hurry and I'm hungry, I'll eat my favorite breakfast at supper time, just eggs, toast, and tomatoes. Not a lot of fuss there. Or just a good egg sandwich.
When you can't think of nothing else you, want to eat, an egg sandwich will fill the spot a lot of
It's
times.
like, well, I'll just fix the egg sandwich. What do you think about it, Mom?
I think this is good.
Perfect supper, isn't it?
It is.
All right.
Perfect, perfect.
Well, folks, other than washing dishes, this is all we're going to do.
Stuff our bellies full.
You got anything you want to add tonight, Mama?
No, I'm just thankful we did it. I just want to thank everybody for all of my cards again. I got more, and I got one down there. I forgot who that was from. That one.
You'll have
here.
to sort all that out
The pink
tomorrow.
one on top. We'll tell you tomorrow. But I just want to thank everybody. I had a wonderful, wonderful birthday.
She went to the post office today, so if you've been wondering if we got your stuff from the post office, she probably did today because they said that was it. All right, Mama. You say good night.
Got me into my mouth full.
As usual.
Good night, Mama. God bless you all. Have a wonderful, wonderful night. Enjoy. Bye-bye.
Bye, y'all.